Show you 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, roof rack, rear wiper, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, leather seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.